Hello everyone, this is Jaap from Tigerlink. Today I want to explain you the geometry of a swing gate motor and why it's important and what are the crucial points to look at. You can have a quick look at one of our motors. I will show you the first one, the Beninca motor. The most common mistake is that people mount their motor without thinking about geometry, and they see, alright, the gate's moving perfectly fine. But you will see as well that the gate will actually move super quickly and has a lot of flex, especially during the wind. This is actually the easiest way to make your gate motor cripple. That's why the most important things to look at are the pivot points. And we're especially talking to the pivot point of the hinge, I will call it point A, and the pivot point of the motor, I will call it point B. So what you always try to accomplish is that you have the perfect distance between the pivot point B and the pivot point A. I will put in this video a little table from every motor where the center distance needs to be. For example, for the Beninca TOM 5024, it needs to be 250 mil in the X direction and 250 mil in the Y direction. Why these dimensions are so important? It comes all through energy over distance. This motor has, for example, a stroke of 500 millimeters. If you're only using 100 mil of the stroke, that means it uses all its power only over 1/5 of the whole distance of the motor. So the motor will be 5 times less strong and it will operate 5 times quicker. It's not good for the motor, which is break it very easily. What you actually want is you want to have used a full operation, or let's say close to 90%. Then you know the motor is going a bit slower, but it will get all the force out of the motor and the whole setup will be super strong. For now, I will give you 2 examples of at least 2 videos of how a correct motor is set up and the wrong motor is set up. First, I will show you the correct setup. So you can see over here as well, pivot switches take up 90% of the full distance. And now I will start the motor and we can look at the operation. Nice and slow means super strong. Also in open position, the gate, there's not much flex in it at all. Now we're going to close the gate. This position you can see as well. Gate will move. That's good. If you want to buy one of these custom brackets, just contact Melbourne Laserworks or Tigerlink and we can make a custom one or one out of stock. This will make your installation go way easier.